Hi guys, Ryan with Triple V here. Today we have a walkthrough on whatnot and how to set up your first show. Alright, so first off, you're going to want to get to your main page. So here we are. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click that plus button up at the top. So you click the plus button and then you go down to schedule a live show. So once you get to this point, you're going to want to put in the title of your show. So because we hit 1K followers, we're going to make the show Brooch Madness. Um, 1K follower party. Alright, so once you get the title of your show in, you can put a description in there. So we don't normally put anything, but if there's anything specific going on in your show, you can always just describe it in that part. You can add a moderator. Because me and Mama Sue both do it together, we don't typically use moderators. And then you're going to want to select your date. So you just click there. We're going to be doing this one on Monday, the 8th. And then we do our Monday shows at 5 p.m. So you're just going to go over here, 5 p.m. Click the time again. So August 8th, 5 p.m. That's when it's set up. Now, if you record a video of the products that you're showing, all you're going to want to do is just take that video. If you do it to TikTok first, then you could just click right there. Upload from gallery, upload that TikTok video, and then it'll be right there. So that way when somebody clicks on the show, they'll see the videos of your products that way. And then what you're going to want to do is select your category. So for us, it's going to be bags, jewelry, and accessories and jewelry. It also does have a tag section. So for us, we typically do pin. So there it is. You just click on it and save. Added the tag, and then also fashion. And there that one is. So you click right there. So both of those tags are pins. So if somebody's looking for something specific, the pins in fashion is underneath the tags. Also does have suggested tags, which is always a nice thing that you just added that one. So really good tool there. And then other than that, you have your content settings. Explicit content, if there's going to be some in your show, just mark that and mute words if you want to mute words from your show's chat. Other than that, you just click schedule. So there is the live show. So there it is. And then what you're going to do from this part is you're going to start adding your products. So for us, we do the brooches. So what I'm going to do, it's already pre-labeled bags, jewelry, and accessories, and jewelry. So I'm just going to name it brooch. At that point, you would put whatever your product's name is, a description about the product, how many you have, and then a weight. So we do brooches. So we just click on 1 to 3 ounces for the brooches, but you would just weigh your product. And then generalize it into 8-11, 12 to 15, and then put in the weight. And then as well as that, if you took photos of your merchandise, you would just click there, add the photo, press done, and then there would be a photo of that product, and then you just click add. All right, so then you have your first product, and then you would just go through, list your inventory. Other than that, when you start the live show, just say you got everything added into your store, you would just click start show. Do you want to start this live stream? Yes. And then from that point, you will be live. So once you're live, just say chat's going on, everybody's talking, everybody's coming in, you want to run your first product, you would go over to here, you'd click the product, pin item, and that way everyone that's in the chat can see what the item is, the shipping and tax on that product. And then at that point, it'll give you the option to start auction. You click start auction. It'll give you a time and a price. So you just starting price and how long you want the auction to go on for. So to give you an example, we would start it off $2 for 15 seconds. And then as that clock's running down, people will begin to bid. And then once that's finished, it'll move from the auction part to the sold. So you'll no longer see it in your product list. It'll move from the product list over to sold. And that's really the basic part of setting up your first Whatnot show right there. Alrighty guys, so moving forward, after you get your show set up, after you run that show, you're going to hit end show to the show. So after you hit end show, this is going to be the part to where you're going to want to go. Show, this is going to be how you're going to ship your items out to your customers. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to so you're going to go over to the seller dashboard. That's going to be up here in your upper right underneath your profile. Seller dashboard, and then it'll bring you to this page. So that's going to be the sale, what you've made, everything else like that, and then it's going to have some information of who bought what and how many different orders they purchased. So like I said, at this point you can go over here, click edit, and this is where you're going to be able to change your package weight. So you put in when you did the show an estimated weight, but just to double check, you can adjust the package weight, the dimensions of the boxes, and then down here there will be a save button. So once you click save, you're just going to go back, and then that same order down here is going to be updated completely, and then all you would do is click print label. So at that point it's going to print the label for the package. You throw the label on the package, and then that order is now complete. Alright guys, so along with the shipping, some extra tips and tricks to help you out with the shipping. So over here you can hit generate scan. What that'll do is create a scan code for the post office. With that scan code, it'll generate for every single item that you're dropping off at the post office. So once they scan that in, it'll scan in every order. And then once you get back home after dropping off those packages, you can bulk confirm package drop off. Once you click that, it'll confirm that every single order has been dropped off right in those quick 2 steps. Alright guys, so just a quick recap on that. So like I said, getting that show set up, right to the shipping. Honestly, when you're live, just have fun with it guys. Whatnot is, like I said, a wonderful website. Have a lot of fun on there. But once you get that live set up, once you run it, once you get stuff dropped off and shipped, that's pretty much it. And then you're just going to set up for the next show after that. I hope this video was really helpful for you guys. I hope, moving forward, you guys have just as much fun as us at Triple V have had on Whatnot. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment with any additional questions or anything that you may have for us. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys have an amazing time on Whatnot.